Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to make a Snow White inspired Easter basket using a Dollar Tree basket, some pre-cut tulle that I got from Michael's on clearance, some red ribbon, some blue ribbon, and some yellow ribbon. To get started, we're going to figure out how much yellow ribbon we need to make our tulle skirt. So we're going to wrap it around the basket and measure and kind of mark how much tulle we need to fill in using some knots on the ribbon. Next, we're going to cut our tulle. I'm making each piece 12 inches long because my skirt's going to be about 6 inches long when it hangs around the basket. To make the tulle skirt, we're just going to fold the tulle in half, make a loop, put the loop above the ribbon, and put the ends through the loop and pull tight. And keep doing that until you have your whole yellow ribbon filled. The next step is to cover the handle. We're using the red ribbon to do this. And I decided to put a little bit of red ribbon up the side of the handle to cover the part where the handle pivots. I just hot glued a little piece on. And then the next step is to start wrapping the red ribbon around the handle. So you want to glue your start piece and then just keep wrapping. And I did a little bit of glue every inch or so, maybe, just to help tack it on. Once you finish your handle, it's time to put on the tulle skirt, and I did this just by hot gluing the edge of the tulle skirt to right underneath the top edge of the basket. Because we're gonna put ribbon on the edge of the basket, I wanted it to kind of tuck underneath that top lip of the basket. So just hot glue a little section at a time, all the way around. I used clothespins to hold it on to help me as I hot glued it. So now it's time for the blue sparkly ribbon that I'm going to use around the top of the basket. And for this part, I decided I wanted to do it in 2 pieces, so that way the handle could still move a little, and I didn't have to try to tack it down. So I measured around the basket, cut what I thought I would need, folded the ends under, and then just started hot gluing. After I put all the blue ribbon on, I decided to add bluegrass, and then I thought it could use some bows on either side of the handle. So I used the fork method to make 2 bows out of the red ribbon that we wrapped around the handle, and hot glued them to either side of the handle. And there you have the final product with some plastic eggs inside. If your little one likes Snow White or Disney princesses, or you want to add some Disney decor to your Easter decorations, I think this is a really easy and inexpensive way to do it. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And come back next time. We are going to make some really cute Snow White and 7 Dwarf Easter eggs to go in this cute little basket. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.